hey guys, welcome to Chase to Health. I just filmed my Noni tasting video, and one of the main reasons I wanted to get Noni was that I saw Chris Kendall on his channel talking about how you get high. You blend these up and you drink it with coconut water. So I thought I would give it a try. In his video, I think he had like 2 of these, but his maybe were bigger than mine. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3. That one looks like it's getting kind of there. Should probably do that one. 4, 5, and that one looks like it needs to go 6. It's fine. So yeah, I think that'll be good. Something like that. Okay. And then I think I'm just gonna go ahead and these seeds I spit out when I was eating them, I'm just gonna put that in, except for this green top. I'm gonna put those seeds in there. I think maybe it's possible that the seeds have some of the effect, maybe not. Whatever, I'm going all in here. Let's just try that. All right, so then I got a couple freshies here. So just this Thai coconut. Oh, spilled. That looks like a lot of coconut water. More than he had in his video, I feel like. Maybe I should just do more Noni. See, I did 6. See, this one's ready. 7, 8. Do 8. Because I got another one I opened up. Does that do 2? Oh my god. Maybe these Thai coconuts have more water than the green coconuts he had in this video. Alright, so I got that in the blender. I think it was just kind of supposed to be enough to cover all the Noni, which it looks like it is. Kind of just feel like I should, let's see, that's 8 of them. That's 8. And those are actually all the ones that are fully, yeah, you know what? Let's do 9. Those are all the ones that are fully ripe. This might be crazy. We'll see. There we go. Let's blend this up here. Okay, I guess you're supposed to blend it smooth. All right. Okay, so looks like it's pretty smooth there. That looks crazy. Okay, so then I got my nut milk bag here, and we are gonna pour this into this here. Oh. Try it again here. That is frothy. Alright, maybe I should do a roll. I'm learning as I go here. Let's do this. It almost looks like I'm making nut milk. And this is not easy. God, this smells so crazy. Smeagol would definitely like Noni fruit. I am almost there, man. I have almost got all this liquid. Wow. Whew. That's a lot. I'm going hard tonight. I am going hard. All right. That looks like that's pretty good. I'm gonna drink this now. Just gonna. It's time for your Noni, boys! Sorry for that. Alright guys, to health, or just to getting crunk. Alright. Wow. So Chris Kendall was saying that if you don't like things that are really good, this might be kind of rough, but I think it tastes amazing. Wow. But it's like coconut water. Like Thai coconut water is like wicked sweet, so. Yeah, it burns. It burns a little bit in the throat. It's a quart. I have more. Might have made too much. I think it tastes good. I could drink this at a party or something. Like a raw vegan party where people are like doing like cacao drinks and like Noni drinks and eating mangoes and whatnot. Yeah, I feel like I can feel myself like going to, I'm at the festival and I'm like going to the festival, like I'm almost there. I'm like, yeah, I got my like got my outfit on, I got my makeup on, my lights and stuff, my light up shoes, my light up tie and everything. I'm like going there. I'm like, yeah, guys, let's go. Let's do this. Like everyone's like a raw vegan, and we're like in this raw vegan paradise in my mind, you know. And we're just going. That's what I'm feeling. You know, I've always been someone that likes like savory, vinegar, spicy, creamy. I wonder if there's like fat in this fruit, because it like reminds. I haven't had cheese in a long time, but it reminds me of almost like the taste at least. But I don't know if like part of that taste is coming from the fat content, or if that's just from like the fermented kind of vinegary taste. I don't know. I wonder how long it's supposed to take. I feel like I'll lift pretty much right away here. I've never just like bought 2 coconuts for like a drink. I really treated myself tonight. Those coconuts are like probably like, I think they're like $5 each. It's Friday night, right? Some people they'd go up to the bars and they'd get like, you know, 3 drinks right here. That Noni fruit, this was like $50, maybe $40 at the bars. Hey, man, when you're a fruitarian, you gotta give yourself the little pleasures that fit the lifestyle. I don't know what Chris Kendall was talking about. This is really good. Yeah, man. They're so weird looking. It's like I posted it online and someone said looks like a potato. Kind of does. God, it smells so weird. It smelled weirder before I ate it, and now that I've eaten it, I'm like, yeah, oh yeah. But before I was like, what is that? My brain's like, I don't know what this is. It's got some good stuff. It's got some good things going on, but I don't know. Let's try it out. I mean, like, as far as things like that fruit that you eat, like, if it smells good to you in any way, I don't know if there's any fruit. That'd be interesting to know if there's any fruit that like smells good to you, but that would make you sick. Cause like, you know, in Minnesota, what I would worry about is picking random berries is some of those berries can make you sick, but none of those berries that make you sick like smell good, right? So I think if something smells good to you in a way, and that's the other thing too, people say that a lot of people might not think this smells good, but I've heard that when your body's cleaner, like things like durian that normally smell bad to a lot of people, it smells really good. And to me, durian does smell good. I can recognize that there's like a weird smell to it, but it's not a deal breaker. All right. Okay. So that was a quart of this drink here. Let's just drink the rest of this. If this really does something, I want to find out. Yeah, it's so frothy. That's what. It's almost like it's like you're drinking a coffee beverage or something. Like that frothiness. Yeah, it's tough to drink a lot of liquid. I can't believe these had so much liquid in them. Like, I thought these Thai coconuts. Oh, you know what though? These Thai coconuts aren't like the whole coconuts. Like, there's like, it's a bigger coconut, and this is like just the inside, I'm pretty sure. So those green coconuts that I thought were bigger are like smaller. Oh my God. Oh, God. Man. Whoa. Dude, I just like totally had a revelation. I'm glad I could share it with you. Okay. Yeah, I'm into it, man. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm into this. I can feel it in my muscles. Like a slight kind of tingling, and like I feel kind of like there's like that, you know, that energy going up your spine. If you've ever felt that, you can get it with like some breathing exercises or hallucinogenic drugs. There's like that kind of, yeah, it's like it makes me want to like stand taller. Like, I mean, if you were a ballerina, this before ballet would be like, whoa, man, you would be like just prancing and dancing and whatever you do. Plie, is it a plie? Yeah, you'd be doing those probably. Yeah. Yeah, it tastes good to me. Like if I was just drinking it, but again, I used to drink tons of kombucha and stuff, and I used to put vinegar on like everything. I used to think it was healthy. So I think I like that taste of like a sour, vinegary, and that's what this has. But then it's creamy too. There's a creaminess to it. And then obviously coconut water is like amazing. So yeah, man, it would be so cool to live in like a community where like everyone's raw vegan. And we have like festivals and stuff, and like we make fun drinks like this. Man, that would be so fun. It's such good energy. And they both of these things grew. Like you could have a coconut tree, and you could have a noni tree, and a blender. Like you don't have to buy anything. You know, so many people are buying alcohol and coffee, beverages, and oh, you know what? I wonder what making raw coffee. I know raw coffee beans taste bad, but they're raw. So like, they're better when they're raw, aren't they? Yeah, I'm starting to get really full. Oh my God, it almost makes like a little, you see that? It's almost like a little, like the top of a cup of coffee, like a cappuccino. It looks like a top of a cappuccino. It's even got like the dark, it looks like coffee. This is crazy. All right, well, I'm into it, man. I could be like, it makes me feel like I'm down, you know, in the jungle, and there's like a festival, and dude, like you should have this at a fruit festival. If you could figure out a nice way to make this and sell it to people. So anyway, I feel really good right now. I'm gonna check back in like a half hour, just to see if like it takes some time to feel something, but I did like 8 of them, so that's, if these are like medium ones, 8 of these would be like 4 big ones, so alright, I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. I'm gonna check back in a half hour. Alright, see ya. Alright, hey guys, it's been about an hour. I went and played piano and sang a little bit, had some fun. Noni, 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 noni fruit. You know, I think it was very stimulating while I was drinking it, and I do feel like I felt like a little bit of like maybe a warm kind of energetic feeling, but I would say it's pretty subtle. So I don't know if like someone that's like that, you know, is drinking and smoking weed and stuff like that, I don't know if they would feel much. I don't know. It'd be interesting. I'm a very clean person. I don't really do any substances at all, alcohol or caffeine or anything. So I'm pretty sensitive. I think when I was drinking it though, you know, like it tasted so good to me, and it was like so stimulating. Like I love when you're doing a raw diet, it's like having something that's different is like crazy, but it's raw. So my body like likes that. There's something was really nice about it being so fresh. I mean, anything that's fresh. But then like the spiciness and like the tingling, and it was fun. It was kind of fun. It was exciting. So I'd recommend trying it. Like if you ever have Noni, it's worth a try. Again though, if you're like someone that doesn't like super spicy or weird flavors, you might think it's just the weirdest, grossest thing. I mean, God, it smells like cheese or something. God, it's been so long since I smelled actual cheese, I don't know what kind of cheese. Yeah, so that's it. I tried it. I'd recommend it. It definitely stimulated me, but it wasn't that crazy. I mean, it's hard to say because being a raw vegan, I feel very lit up quite often. So was it just like the coconut water? Like I bet I'd feel pretty good just drinking that coconut water by itself. And then who knows what's in there? There's probably something that elevated my mood, but I feel pretty good when I eat a bunch of mangoes. There was something really nice. It was frothy and creamy, which was fun. I enjoyed that. I'll probably make another one with the rest of these. Well, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I got another 8 here. So yeah, I might do that again. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See ya.